Hi guys, quick update on this one here and this one here. So this is been running from May 24 and so is this one. Let me just show you. There you go. Now, do you remember this one I made last year, 25th and 1st of May 25th? Anyway, long and short of this one is that it stopped working about 6 months ago, and the LED stayed on and I didn't like it, so I tried to mess about with it and I kind of got bored with it, so that's broken off. I can make another one, a different one for this one, maybe I will do. I will see in the future, but at the moment I just want to give a quick update on these. These two are still flashing and working. I'll turn some lights off so we can see them. So you can see. Okay, let's do one at a time then. So this is the blue one. There you go. It's flashing. That's a large blue LED in there. That's fine. And this is the first one I think I made. Flashes nicely. Still flashing. I'm quite surprised with the batteries that they are still working. Now I heard so much about how they've worked them for 5 years or so, so we shall see. It's a slow process, but I'm so glad that they're flashing after 24, 26, 2 years now, 2 years going. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you next year on these, if they work or not.